Hello and assalamu alaikum, friends. Sabi here again. Today I'll be discussing about your job hunting. I'll be discussing some points you should consider while hunting a job in the market in UAE and or any other market outside your country, any foreign market. In my past videos, I've discussed specific topics for which are relevant to banking, specifically compliance and anti-money laundering. Okay, so I have few things in mind which I want to share. First of all, make your profile good. Consider yourself as a commodity because here you are like actually what you do in the interview seat. You are selling yourself. Okay, so make sure that you sell yourself properly to the relevant buyer. For example, if you purchase something which is not useful to you, then what happens after one or two, three times utilization? You just place it on the shelf, do not use it, and what happens? Then you think to change it because you are not the correct user, relevant user of the particular good. So make sure. So this is so make sure that you sell yourself to proper seller first of all, okay, and then consider yourself as a commodity that you have to sell yourself. Want to be sold? If you want to be sold, then what you should do to yourself, make your CV strong, right? Your ingredients, make your CV strong, proper, relevant, no false information, no mis-selling. If you do not know anything, do not write in a CV. It's my personal experience. I was interviewed by the group compliance officer. It was more than an hour interview, and he had my CV, and he gone through each and every line and every point, and I explained each and every point. He was making sure that whatever I have in black and white, he was counter checking it, and he was making notes of it. Okay, so make sure your CV should not mislead. Okay, if you do not know anything, do not exaggerate. In fact, I will suggest do not mention it on your CV. Doesn't matter, right? Whatever you mention, your curriculum vitae, your CV, your profile, your LinkedIn profile, or any other social media profile, it should reflect when you are in the interview, in front of the interviewer, or when you will be asked. Okay, so make sure first of all, make your CV good. Number two, do a proper search of the market. Number three, before landing to any other country, like if you are entering in the UAE for the job search, make sure that you target your relevant market, your relevant profession. Do not follow anyone. For example, if some Mr. A has got a good job, but before getting the job, he spent 4 to 5 months in like doing in a odd job. Do not follow him or her. We are normally followers, right? So I do not suggest, it's my personal suggestion experience, that we should not follow because it's possibility that he might have some good opportunities, a good luck at that time, the luck was with him, or he got a good opportunity. It might not be the case with you. So if you are going to follow him or anyone who got job after doing 6 month odd jobs, he's in a good in a relevant profession. If you think that it will happen the same, and it will so for me, if you ask me, I would not recommend or not suggest you to follow this logic or this criteria, this path. Make your CV heavier, a good CV. Number two, pitch the relevant market. Number three, give a good search, give a good time to the market you want to be in. If you want to become a banker, you want to apply in the banking sector, so you should get at least basic information regarding the banking, the laws of the country, the law, the regulatory requirements. So if the interview asks something about you, you should know. You should know that you shouldn't say, sir, first hire me, then I'll be trained. Hire me, teach me, and invest in me, and then I will give my results. No, He don't want a raw resource. Okay, he wants someone who knows who know things. So I suggest that you should know your market. You should know the law, at least the bare minimum, the basic rules, the basic laws of the country, the banking law. If you want to be a banker or any other unit, any other department, any other industry, you should have the basic information about the company you have applied. And again, so I'll summarize it. Because I want to make a very short clips of short videos which are informative to you. Make your CV strong. Do a good search, a background search of the companies you are have applied. You are willing to apply. Number three, do not follow any other, because your or his or her scenarios might be different, and it's apparently it's not end up good with in your case, or might be it went better. But I would suggest no, don't take risk. Okay, and the last but not the least, do not compromise your profession. I again say, do not compromise your profession. If you are an accountant, do not go for sales job. If you're a seller, do not go for accounting or banking job. That's all, my friend, from my side. I hope this bit of suggestion is will be useful for you when you go or think about searching your jobs in your country or out of the country. Thank you for listening to me, and kindly do give your feedback, like the video if it's pertaining to you and fruitful to you, and please do subscribe for my future videos. Thanks a lot. Thank you.